In New York State, you're entitled to the right to remain silent, and you're not required to speak to a police officer. However, that's triggered the legal standard when that comes into effect. It's a reasonable man standard, someone that would stand in the shoes of the person being questioned, and the legal standard is whether or not that person would be deemed free to leave. If they were not deemed free to leave, and the officer is interrogating or questioning the subject, they're entitled to have the officer provide Miranda warnings. However, that being said, in many instances, the officers don't provide Miranda warnings. They are given some leadway in a traffic stop when they're investigating either a traffic infraction or if there's criminal activity that they can see and later testify to as to what their observations were that would trigger a further inquiry and a back and forth with the individual who stopped behind the wheel. But generally, your Miranda warnings allow you not to offer incriminating evidence against yourself by the way of statements. However, most individuals may not be aware as to that right, and many times when they advise the officer they don't want to speak with them any further, the officers may treat that in a negative way. However, you have the right to remain silent and not offer evidence against yourself.